Please support my free channel by giving your like, subscribing, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ
Vedas. These spiritual scriptures are a collection of hymns and rituals that date back to thousands of years. Vedas have shaped and influenced the Hindu rituals. The uniqueness of these Vedas is that they have been passed on to several generations through oral narration, though very few are in a written form. Although many ancient rituals are not performed today due to the change of time and practice, yagnas, which were once performed for karma and dharma, are now associated with social activities and well-being. Most of the Hindu rituals are performed in temples or in a suitable surrounding, but some are performed in the home of the Hindus too. Prayer and puja are an integral part of a Hindu's life. After every puja, a sacred offering named prasad is given to God. Such offerings are given as a mark of respect to God without expecting a reciprocal claim of advantage. Hindus believe that performing these rituals help in lifting up their spiritual betterment. Other than the daily pujas performed at home, Hindus perform yagnas for different occasions. A sacred fire is lit and offerings like ghee, navadhaniyam, fruits, pure wood collected from different trees, pure silk cloth, and so on are placed in the fire to invoke gods. These yagnas are generally performed for the welfare of the family, community, and the world as a whole. Specific yagnas are performed to take the blessings of the departed, appeasing the Panchabhutas, peace and prosperity. All yagnas are performed under the guidance of the priests and the Brahmins, and in return for their service, they are paid kanikai or dakshina. Dakshina is the name of a Hindu goddess who is an avatar of goddess Lakshmi. As she personifies the concept of giving and bless the one who does charity, her name Dakshina came into being. In those days, cow was given as Dakshina for the priests or Brahmins. The cow which yield calf and give milk was given as Dakshina in those days. Nowadays, though this practice still exists in some places, money and other articles are given as Dakshina. Each and every yagna has a different set of sankalp and mantras. Japa is another form of ritual followed by the Hindu religion. The God's name is recited silently or audibly to cleanse the human mind and soul. These japas create a positive vibration which lead to a healthy life and peaceful community. The japas are done out of pure love to God with no expectation of goodies in return. The Hindus believe that God will bestow all riches if their mind is kept pure. Many argue that japa and meditation are different. They claim that japa brings the mind to one state, while meditation is the silence of the mind. Hinduism claims that japa leads to meditation. Mind, body, breath is controlled by the japa, and peace remains as in meditation. Japa is performed individually or in groups. It should be remembered that the Hindu rituals had been criticized by some in the ancient Indian period, but these rituals have passed out all the tests and trials. These rituals have survived all criticism and they continue to play an important role in the life of every true Hindu even today. Please support my free channel by giving your like, subscribing, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.